This is why you need Xcode. Ever dreamt of creating your own app but felt overwhelmed by the process? Fear not. Xcode is here to turn your dreams into reality. Imagine having a magical toolbox, and that's exactly what Xcode is. Apple's Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. Picture this. You're building apps for iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and Apple TV, all from one place. Xcode is your all-in-one solution to bring your app ideas to life. It seamlessly combines code editing, design tools, testing, and debugging. This makes it an incredibly powerful ally for developers. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Xcode is your ultimate tool for Apple development. Join us as we dive into the basics and kickstart your Xcode journey. This is why you need Xcode. Imagine you're about to create the next big app for Apple devices. What's the first tool you reach for? That's right, Xcode. While there are other tools out there, Xcode is your ultimate companion, offering a seamless and integrated experience. It's like having a direct line to Apple's powerful software development kits, or SDKs. These SDKs are the magic ingredients that let you tap into Apple's hardware and software capabilities. And if your dream is to see your app on the App Store, Xcode is your gateway. Apple has a high bar for app submissions, and Xcode is designed to help you meet those exacting standards. You need to hear this if you're an app developer. Imagine having a magical toolbox that makes app development not just easier, but a whole lot more fun. That's Xcode for you. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, Xcode is packed with powerful features that streamline the entire process of creating amazing apps for Apple platforms. From designing stunning user interfaces to writing efficient code and testing your app, Xcode has got you covered. Picture this. You're dragging and dropping elements to design your app's interface, and you can see it come to life in real time. That's the magic of Interface Builder. It's a visual editor that lets you create stunning user interfaces without writing a single line of code. Adjust layouts, add constraints, and customize your UI elements effortlessly. Need a button here, a text field there, or maybe an image? No problem. With Interface Builder, you can create all these elements and more, making it super easy to prototype your app and make changes on the fly. Plus, with auto layout, your app's interface will look great on any device, no matter the size or orientation. Now let's dive into the heart of Xcode, the code editor. This is where the magic happens. Whether you're writing in Swift or Objective-C, the code editor is designed to be both powerful and user-friendly. It supports multiple languages and offers a seamless experience for coding, refactoring, and navigating your codebase. Imagine having a personal assistant that highlights your code, suggests completions, and catches errors as you type. That's what the code editor offers with its syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and error detection features. These tools help you write clean, efficient code faster, making your development process smoother and more enjoyable. Ever wondered how your app would look and perform on different iPhone and iPad models? Enter the iOS simulator. This built-in tool lets you test your app on various devices without needing the actual hardware. You can even simulate different conditions like low battery or poor network connectivity to see how your app holds up. The iOS simulator is a game-changer for quick iterations and debugging. Make changes to your code and see the results instantly, speeding up your development process. Plus, you can take screenshots and record videos of your app in action, making it easier to share your progress. And let's not forget about Xcode's suite of debugging tools. These tools provide detailed insights into your app's performance and behavior, helping you identify and fix issues quickly. With features like breakpoints, step-through debugging, and performance analysis, you'll have everything you need to ensure your app runs smoothly and efficiently. You need to hear this if you're an aspiring Apple developer. Ready to dive into the world of Apple development? Let's get Xcode set up. First things first, head over to the Mac App Store and grab the latest version of Xcode. It's a hefty download, so ensure your internet connection is solid and you have ample space on your Mac. Once downloaded, double-click the Xcode icon to kick off the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to get Xcode installed on your machine. After installation, locate Xcode in your Applications folder and fire it up. You'll be welcomed by the Xcode startup screen. Click on Create a new Xcode project to get started. Xcode provides a variety of templates for different app types. For now, let's choose the Single View App template as our starting point. This is why you need to start building your own iOS apps. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to create your very first iOS app. Imagine the thrill of seeing "Hello World" displayed on your screen, knowing you built it from scratch. Let's dive into Xcode, Apple's powerful development environment, and bring your app to life. Our adventure begins with creating a new project. Open Xcode and select Create a new Xcode project. You'll see a variety of templates, but for our quest, choose the App template under the iOS section. Name your project something fun like My First App, and select Swift as the language. Opt for Storyboard for the user interface. This setup is your app's foundation. Next, let's open main.storyboard. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a blank white canvas representing your app's screen. The storyboard is your playground, where you'll design and arrange your app's user interface elements. Now, let's add some text. Drag a label from the object library, located in the bottom right corner, onto your canvas. The object library is like a treasure chest filled with UI elements such as buttons, labels, and text fields. Double-click the label and change its text to "Hello World." Feel free to customize the label's properties, like its font size and color, using the Attributes Inspector on the right side of the Xcode interface. Make it your own. Finally, it's time to see your creation in action. Click the play button in the top left corner to build and run your app in the simulator. The simulator is your virtual device, mimicking the behavior of a real iPhone or iPad. Congratulations! You've just built your first iOS app with Xcode. This simple example showcases the basic workflow of creating an app's interface and running it in the simulator. As you continue your coding journey, you'll learn to add more complex functionality and design elements to your apps. Happy coding, and welcome to the world of iOS development. I bet you didn't know how crucial coding best practices are for your development journey. Imagine you're diving deeper into Xcode and app development. Picture yourself writing code that not only works but shines. These best practices are your secret weapons. They will help you craft code that's not just functional, but also elegant and efficient. Whether you're a lone wolf or part of a dynamic team, these principles will elevate your work to new heights. First, let's talk about writing clean code. Think of it as telling a story with your code. Use meaningful variable and function names that narrate what your code does. Indent your code consistently, like paragraphs in a book. Clean code isn't just about aesthetics, it's about clarity and maintainability. Months or even years down the line, you or someone else should be able to read your code like a well-written novel. This makes your code a joy to read and understand. Readability is key because it slashes the time needed to grasp what the code does, speeding up debugging and feature additions. Think of your code as a conversation with other developers, including your future self. Next, let's organize your project like a pro. Create folders to group related files, just like chapters in a book. A well-organized project structure helps you find files quickly and keeps your workspace tidy. This becomes crucial as your project grows in size and complexity. Use clear naming conventions for your files and folders. Consistent naming conventions make it easier to understand the purpose of each file at a glance. This practice also helps in avoiding confusion and errors, especially when multiple developers are working on the same project. This helps you maintain your project as it grows larger. As your project scales, a clear and consistent structure will save you time and effort. It will also make onboarding new team members easier, as they can quickly get up to speed with the project's layout. Now, let's talk about version control. Imagine having a time machine for your code. Use a version control system like Git to track changes. It's essential for managing changes and collaborating with others. It allows you to keep a history of your code base, making it easier to track progress and revert to previous versions if something goes wrong. This allows you to revert to previous versions if needed and collaborate with others more effectively. Version control systems also facilitate code reviews and discussions, helping to improve the overall quality of the code base. They are indispensable tools for any serious development project. By following these best practices, you'll become a more efficient and organized developer. Incorporate these habits into your daily workflow, and you'll find your coding sessions becoming more productive and less stressful. Ultimately, these practices will help you deliver higher quality software faster. Happy coding! You need to hear this if you're a developer. Imagine launching your app only to find it crashing on users' devices. That's where testing comes in. Thoroughly testing your app is like giving it a safety net, ensuring its quality and stability. Picture this, your app running smoothly on every device and iOS version out there. Use the simulator to test your app on various iPhone and iPad models. Write unit tests to catch those sneaky bugs early. Create automated tests to verify the functionality of individual code units. It's like having a robot assistant. This helps you catch errors early in the development process, saving you from future headaches. Perform user interface testing to ensure your app is intuitive and easy to use. Imagine the joy of a seamless user experience. Testing might seem tedious, but it's your ticket to a successful app launch. Happy coding! You need to hear this if you're a developer. Imagine launching your app and seeing it flourish. But how do you ensure it meets user expectations? Let's dive into the world of user feedback. User feedback is the golden key to refining your app. Start with beta testing. Release a beta version to a select group of users and gather their insights, collect their feedback, jot down their suggestions, and make those crucial tweaks. Next, dive into App Store reviews. These reviews are a treasure trove of user opinions. They reveal what users love and what needs improvement. Don't forget analytics. Use these tools to track user behavior within your app. Heat maps and interaction data can pinpoint exactly where users are engaging and where they drop off. By truly listening to your users, you can transform your app into a success story. If you're an aspiring Apple developer, then you need to hear this. Welcome to the beginning of your Xcode adventure. This guide has laid the groundwork for your journey into the world of Xcode and Apple development. You've discovered what Xcode is, why it's a game changer, and how to dive into its powerful features. You've even taken the first step by building a simple app. Always remember to delve into Xcode's documentation and keep experimenting. The more you immerse yourself in Xcode, the more skilled and confident you'll become. Embrace the journey and never stop exploring the endless possibilities of Apple development. Your adventure has just begun. This is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your Xcode journey. Remember, the world of Apple development is vast and exciting, and with Xcode, you're well equipped to explore it. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create next. Stay curious and keep coding.